40 miles off the northwest of Scotland's mainland lies the Outer Hebrides, an archipelago which is renowned for its untouched natural beauty and rich history. Stretching over 200 miles, this stunning chain of islands is full of turquoise waters, pristine white sandy beaches, and an abundance of wildlife. Keen to explore what these islands have to offer, I set off with my bike, tent and camera to explore the beauty of the Scottish coastline firsthand. Welcome to the Outer Hebrides. Nine days in the Outer Hebrides is not nearly enough time to explore these idyllic islands. With some of the best beaches in the world, it's easy to see how people fall in love with them. Maybe it's time you paid them a visit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.